One Asian country and 7 European countries are among the top 10 affected list of countries with coronavirus. While more European countries are witnessing a surge in cases, the US replaced China as the country with the highest coronavirus cases on 26th March, while more than 92% of the global coronavirus cases are currently outside China. So in this video, we are gonna talk about top 10 countries mostly affected by coronavirus. Number 10, we've got Turkey. Following the first confirmed coronavirus infection on 10th March, the number of coronavirus cases in Turkey increased sharply, making it one of the top 10 countries affected by COVID-19 in less than 4 weeks. Although Turkey took initial preventive measures such as closing borders and cancelling passenger air transport to Iran, it couldn't escape from the pandemic that spread like a wildfire in Europe. The coronavirus mortality rate in Turkey is, however, currently lower than that in some of the other European countries such as Italy, Spain, France, and the UK. On number 9, we've got Switzerland. Switzerland, a popular tourist destination, is the 6th most affected European country by the novel coronavirus outbreak. The positive COVID-19 coronavirus cases in Switzerland, whose borders are close to Milan, Italy, crossed 18,800 as on 2nd April. Some of the major cities in Switzerland such as Geneva and Zurich have reported confirmed coronavirus cases. Deaths in Switzerland due to coronavirus have reached 536. The Swiss hotel and tourism industries will be affected if the coronavirus situation continues to stay for long. On number 8, we've got United Kingdom. The UK coronavirus cases surged significantly in the 3rd and 4th weeks of March, making it one of the top 10 countries with coronavirus. Confirmed coronavirus cases in UK surged to 5741 on 23rd March and crossed 34,000 on 2nd April, while death toll increased to 2,900. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson tested positive for coronavirus on 27th March. Number 7, Iran. Iran, another country from where coronavirus spread to the rest of the world, currently has more than 50,000 confirmed cases and has reported more than 3100 deaths. Iran is suspected to have delayed revealing about the spread of coronavirus in their country and underreporting the cases. A number of countries have traced their coronavirus infected having contracted the disease due to travel to Iran. Many government officials and politicians, including MPs in Iran, have contracted coronavirus, some of who died. Amid fears of further coronavirus spread, Iran announced the temporary release of approximately 70,000 prisoners, according to Mizan news agency. Number 6, France. France, the 4th most affected European nation by the coronavirus, has overtaken South Korea in the number of COVID-19 cases. COVID-19 nCoV cases in France have reached close to 60,000, while the death toll reached closer to 5,400. The French government has banned public gatherings. The popular Louvre Museum in Paris was temporarily closed as precautionary measure. The Paris city has reported COVID-19 coronavirus positive cases apart from other regions including Amiens, Bordeaux, and Eastern Haute-Savoie. A worker at Disneyland Paris was reported by Reuters as having contracted the coronavirus. France currently has only a few clusters of coronavirus. The ongoing outbreak remains a concern to the French tourism industry as coronavirus fears has resulting in a drop in visitors. Number 5, China. China, including Hong Kong and Macau, is currently the 4th most affected country by the novel coronavirus outbreak, officially named COVID-19 by the World Health Organization. China witnessed more than 3,000 deaths and approximately 74% of the global coronavirus cases as of 9th March, which quickly came down to 58% by 13 March and to 40% by 18 March as the number of cases in the rest of the world surged and Europe became the new epicenter within a week. Coronavirus cases in the rest of the world belied China's. By the end of March, China coronavirus cases accounted for just 10% of the global cases. Hubei has witnessed more than 67,000 coronavirus positive cases and continues to report deaths, although at a slower rate than before. The number of cases in China, however, has been declined starting March due to the rapid control measures and response by the Chinese government. Number 4, Germany. Coronavirus cases in Germany, which borders with France and Switzerland, have crossed 84,700, overtaking the cases in China. Similar to its neighbor France, Germany too banned public events involving huge crowds in order to prevent spread. Trade fair, the Hannover Messe, and has been postponed due to the coronavirus outbreak situation. The coronavirus mortality rate in Germany is however comparatively lesser than 1.3%, with more than 1,100 deaths reported as of 2nd April. German Finance Minister Thomas Schäfer committed suicide suspected because of worries over the state and country's economic situation due to COVID-19. On number 3, Spain. Spain overtook South Korea in the number of coronavirus cases in the third week of March and China at the end of March. Since the confirmation of first coronavirus case in Spain on 1st Feb, the Spanish COVID-19 cases got closer to 1,000 in early hours of 9th March and rose sharply to more than 112,000 on 2nd April. A minister in Spain contracted coronavirus, while Princess Maria Theresa died from coronavirus, marking the first royal death due to COVID-19. Spain is currently the second most affected European country with coronavirus. Spanish coronavirus death toll too has increased sharply to across 10,300. A nationwide lockdown has been announced, affecting millions of its residents. Tourism, a crucial sector for Spain, is expected to face an adverse impact due to global coronavirus fears. The Spanish government has advised companies to ask employees to work from home to avoid spread. On number 2, we've got Italy. Coronavirus continues to be severe in Italy, making it most affected in Europe as well as outside Asia. Italy has witnessed highest number of deaths due to COVID-19 in the world. Travel to Italy and Italians traveling to other countries during the outbreak has been traced to have caused COVID-19 spread. Once confined to North Italy, COVID-19 cases have spread to entire Italy, leading to a nationwide lockdown. The Italian government early measures such as closing educational institutions temporarily might have limited the spread, although the aged population continues to be a concern. Coronavirus deaths in Italy increased by more than 9 times in 10 days, from 366 on 8th March to more than 5,400 on 23rd March. And further beyond 13,900 on 2nd April. Confirmed coronavirus cases in Italy have crossed 120,000. On number 1, we've got the United States of America. Confirmed coronavirus cases in the US increased significantly in the third week of March, and testing was made more rapid and overtook China's on 26th March, making US the world's most affected country by coronavirus currently by the number of cases. The US COVID-19 cases earlier crossed South Korean cases on 19th March, moving beyond 33,500 on 23rd March and surging to more than 240,000 on 2nd April, while the death toll too increased sharply past 5,800. Community spread and delayed testing has been a major concern to Americans, as enough test kits are not available across states, while shortage of ventilators continue to result in increasing deaths. The first coronavirus case in US was confirmed on 21st March, but the cases surged from the second half of February and further in March as the nationwide testing was increased significantly. China and America always have a rebellious history. So what do you think? It is a planned pandemic or a pandemic? Thanks for watching. I guess you had a good time. Please like, comment and share the video. And what about subscribe? Yeah, sure. Please like, comment and share the video and do subscribe the channel. Okay, Tom? Yeah, baby.